everyone, welcome to my urban homestead. Haven't been online in a while. Hope you guys are doing great. Sneak peek, I'm in the front yard. So you can see the lilies are done blooming. Hollyhocks look good. Some of the lilies are still looking really pretty. But yeah, I got a volunteer tomato growing on our carrot patch. But today, yeah, I'm weeding as I go. This is the beets and carrots. I harvested the radish the other day. But now, this is our sweet potato and beans patch. And I got a volunteer sunflower growing on the side. But today we're harvesting the red Norland potatoes. These are the ones that I harvested from this spot. And this is what I got. Really nice size, huh? Organic potatoes. And this one is next. So you know these are all red Norland. See how they look like? When they're starting to look like sad, pitiful thingies, then it's time to harvest. Look, the dirt eroded, and the onions didn't grow as much, but yeah. Let's see how much potatoes I'm gonna harvest from this spot. Okay guys, done. Dusty, but so this planter is, what's the size?
3x6.
3x6, and I planted 10 seed potatoes and 2 seed potatoes here, and this is what we got. Not bad. Oh, some are really good size, and some itty bitties. I like the itty bitties. Whew, mosquitoes. Yeah, not bad. Organic potatoes from the garden, right, honey?
Yep.
Hit that like button. Bye.